Alright, hello everyone. How are you? It's Kei. So this is the 18th of November 2022 on Friday. So happy Friday to everyone. And welcome back to another live stream today. Okay, so today I think the live stream will be a bit shorter, maybe 30 minutes because my condition is not really good actually. I have some how to say, like the pimples and broils on my face, and it's been so painful. So I took some medicine, I applied some creams, but still painful, and I didn't really sleep well last night. For the last 2 days has been really struggle. So yeah, I think today I do this a bit shorter time. And markets are ranging anyways, so I'm just waiting for the resistance breakout on pound CAD. But if it doesn't happen, then most likely I will be away from the charts today and come back next week. So yeah, so let me start. So just came here to say hi to everyone and check few charts, and that will be the topic for today. Okay, so let me switch screen. And one announcement is that I started a new Facebook and Instagram accounts. So please follow me if you have these. I will put the links to these accounts on the below description. So please access and feel free to follow me. But I don't do Telegram, I don't do Instagram. So I do Instagram, I don't do Telegram, I don't do TikTok. So please be careful. If you see any of these accounts of my name, these are all fake. Okay, so let me say hi to everyone quickly. Alright, TSM, thanks for joining. Good to see you. Yes, we'll check the Bitcoin and DAX index. Bitcoin has been ranging, so not really moving, but we can check some other indices. Alright, Than, thanks for joining. John Hera, good to see you. Right, most pairs are ranging right now. 4-hour retracing, that's right. So most likely that's my topic today. So just waiting for the pound CAD breakout of the resistance, that's it. Okay, Sachin, thanks for joining. Fibard, good to see you. Mosa, Homan, and Sami. Ashley, good to see you, thanks so much. Yeah, these pimples are so painful for some reason. And I have no idea where I got these. But it has been happening for like 2 days so far. And last night, it was too painful to sleep. So I wake up and sleep, back and forth. And today, I took a nap about 2 hours ago. But the pain's still there, so yeah, I think I will be a bit shorter live stream today. Yeah. Yes, we're gonna look at the pound CAD. Okay. Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen overlap impact the trend. Right, that means it's a bit overshooting market. So you need to wait until Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen separate to trade. It's like the ThinkMo. ThinkMo means where Senko span AB together, and it's considered to be overbought. Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen overlap also the same. When it's overlapping, moving up or down, it means it's the overshooting market. Okay, Sanyaku signals, alright? Okay. Holman says, I sold WTI 11:30 UTC, alright. Yeah, I don't think I checked WTI today. Let me check. WTI, is it going down? Let me see. sorry, WTI is, oh, yeah, that's right, it's going down. It's going down now. Okay, so, right. So as a result, I was waiting for the breakout towards either direction, either up or down on a daily time frame. And looks like today it broke bearish. Okay. So this downtrend is significant. I think this breakout today is significant because this was the breakout of the previous double top and the neckline break. So the market may retrace, but I think the market stays below the neckline of 82 and continuously goes down next week. Okay, so that means inflation may stop also, right? So USD might be weaker, and stock markets may be uptrending next week, but we will see. Ellie, oh, thank you so much. Yes, I will add an ice pack on my face. Yeah, because this is really painful. Like, when you get the injury and bleed, you get the pain, and I feel the same pain on my nose, on my cheek. Yeah, it's really bad. It's really bad. So yeah, I will use ice to apply and reduce the pain. Thank you for the suggestion. Alright, KH, thanks for joining. Trader Bogota, thanks for joining. Thank you so much for a comment. Alright, and everybody, thanks so much for joining. Okay, so let me talk about Pound CAD first. Pound CAD, I have been waiting for the breakout. You see, it's almost breaking. It's only, let me go down to 5. And it's only, how many pips? It's only like 5 pips or 6 pips to break, and it's about to happen. But today there's no big news. It's Friday, and New York session may end in few hours, so maybe no trade. But if it breaks sharp within the next 1 year, not 1 year, within the next 1 hour or so, then I may come in, and hopefully I set the break even and hold it over the weekend. But we'll see. So the resistance is on 1.5921. Still waiting for the breakout of that level. So daily looks like this. Daily is buyer's dominant because the price is above Tenkan-sen, Chikou span above candles. So most likely it breaks. And when it breaks, I think it goes really fast. And there were some minor resistances here. But I think once it breaks, it goes up continuously. So that's what I'm waiting for today. Alright, yeah, thanks for joining everyone. Albert says, I have a sell position on Euro USD. Okay, aiming for the daily retracement. So Euro USD is still up on the daily because Kumo's up, Kijun Sen's up. So my view is bullish still. So, but there was a long wick, and this is actually inside bar. So for me, if I sell, I wait for the breakout of 1.0279, this inside bar breakout, to sell. For now, it's range. So it may go up and down, and we don't know which way it's going. So yeah. So that's the Euro USD right now. And let me see some other charts. Okay, again, thanks so much everyone for joining today. It's Friday on the 18th November. Okay, so yeah, I think the other markets are all ranging basically. No trends this week. This week has been a bit quiet. Euro CAD also about to break. It's about to break also, Euro CAD. So let me mark this one also. So it's either Euro CAD or Pound CAD break on the resistance. If it breaks fast, then I take a trade and set the break even and hold it over the weekend. But if not, I will come back Monday or Tuesday next week. Oh, yeah, Tan says, when you're in pain, it's also your chance to meditate with it. Yeah, that's true, that's true. I think whenever we have this kind of pain on the body, pain on the surface of the body, I think it's like some warning in my pathway. I think I need to hold and stop and meditate. Maybe look back the past and study from the past. I think that's a sign for the pain. So yeah, I would take it easy today, tonight, in the weekends, and hopefully it will be better soon. Okay, Jitendra says, as I understand, Chikou span indicates bullishness, bearishness. Kumo is about long-term trend. What do you infer if Chikou span below candles but Kumo is positive? Then you want to wait for the Chikou span above candles to look for the buy chance. Yeah, Chikou span is really the key actually in Ichimoku. When Chikou span below candles, that means simply it's bearish overall. When Chikou span above candles, it's bullish overall. Bullish in terms of 26 candles. So Chikou span itself has lots of strategies, and I share these strategies in Ichimoku community. But Chikou span is really powerful by itself. And if you can combine the correct Chikou span strategies with the Kumo and Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, it becomes even more powerful. So yeah, for now, waiting for the breakout of Pound CAD and also Euro CAD. And let me check some of the charts and see if we have any other breakouts. Pound USD is about to break also, but this is a bit. I think this take a time a little bit, because this is inside bar, and this big bullish candle. So it may take time for this, but we can continue to monitor this one. Maybe come back Monday and see if it breaks. Pound JPY completely ranging, so no trends. Someone asked me about the pound JPY the other day, and my view was bullish in a short term, and today it broke the resistance. I was mentioning about this ascending P wave in 1 hour, if you can remember, and today it exactly broke. It exactly broke, retrace, and it's on a bullish wave. So pound JPY is bullish in my eyes. So hopefully you capture that breakout and follow uptrend continuously. But for now, I stay away because, yeah, daily chart still looks to be flat. So it may retrace, it may range for some hours, days, and I simply stay away. Okay, FX says, do you use spinning top candles? How can I distinguish the doji and spinning top candles clearly? I don't use spinning top candles, so I'm not really sure. Let me quickly search spinning top candle. What does that mean? Spinning top candle means Okay, so that's a doji reverse, basically. Okay, so that's a doji reverse, looks like. Yeah, so in that case, yes, I do. I do use these patterns. Like, I wait for this doji to happen. I wait for this doji to happen, and then on the next candlestick, on the next candlestick, if it breaks the doji bearish, then this will be my entry chance. Same as a bullishness. If next one becomes above the doji, then I take it as a buying signal. So yeah, I do use these. Yeah, for me, I see that these are doji reversal, because the market reverses after doji. But just because you see doji, it doesn't mean that it reverses. So that's a trick. That's a trick. I'm not really sure when usually people talk about the doji. I mean, this is a spinning top candle, but you know, sometime market goes up after doji, sometime market goes up. Especially when you see uptrend in higher time frames, usually it breaks the doji bullish and continuously bullish. So again, just because you see doji, it doesn't mean that the market reverses. So you need to wait for the next candlestick close below the doji and expect the market goes down. If it's downtrending, and when you see doji, and doji breaks bullish, then you can expect the market goes up afterwards. So that's the trick in this one. So yeah, just because you see doji again, never think that the market reverses, because doji has always two meanings: trend reverse or trend continuation. Okay, so yeah, you know, there are so many names on the candles, you know, and I don't remember everything. But if you give me some examples, then I can answer these. And the names on English and names in Japanese are also different, so that's why I don't really remember all these names on the candles. But yeah, that's my idea. Okay, so Nifty chart, I think it's Nifty is, let me see, reversing backwards now, right? Yeah, but still it's bullish, above Tenkan-sen bullish, so I think the market still goes up next week. Oh yeah, thank you for the comment. Doctor, I think I will go to doctor next week because I didn't have time this week. Maybe tomorrow or the day after I will go to doctor if this won't be better. Yeah. So it's been really, you know, tough time today. Yeah, because of these pimples and broils on my face. All right, hello TSM, thanks for joining. Yeah, so let me check the Bitcoin. BTC USD has been ranging still, and this still inside of this big bearish candlestick and this big bullish candlestick. So simply wait until it breaks either direction is my advice. In terms of momentum, it's bearish because the price is below Tenkan-sen and Chikou span below candles. So the market still may breaks the support and goes down. So in terms of Ichimoku, this is still bearish. Okay, Sachin, I don't use a Heikin Ashi, so I'm not really sure. I mean, I used to use Heikin Ashi, but not anymore because Heikin Ashi is lagging, and Heikin Ashi can capture the nice market direction, whether it's going up or down, But in terms of directions, Ichimoku can capture much better than Heikin Ashi. So that's why I don't use Heikin Ashi anymore. And Ichimoku Kinko Hyo and candlestick combination is the best. So that's why I don't use Heikin Ashi anymore. And I don't use Renko Ashi either. In case if you know about the Renko Ashi, I don't use Renko Ashi either. Renko Ashi is more closer to Ichimoku calculation. But candlestick I think is the best with Ichimoku. Okay. Let me see. Hussein says, have Japanese sushi and hot soup and have a good sleep, you will be fine. Sure, I will, yeah. Yeah, thank you so much. So yeah, again, I was mentioning earlier in the live that I'm having some pains on my face because of these pimples. Have been really giving my pain. So I wasn't able to sleep last night well. So I think today's live stream will be a bit shorter. But simply waiting for the breakouts on one of these pairs. Either Euro CAD or Pound USD or Pound CAD. So still waiting for these. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, thank you for joining. Yeah, Emeka, thank you for joining as well. Great to see you. Pound CAD is not broken yet. It's not broken yet because it's still on the resistance. So this is where we have to be patient for the breakout. Let me check the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, it broke slightly, but here you see the spinning bar, spinning candlestick, right? Doji reverse. So this is not a breakout yet. We have to wait for the breakout, but we can see that this is ascending P wave structure. The resistances are at the same level, but the supports, the lows are getting higher and higher, so this is ascending P wave. I think the market goes up, breaks within today. But we have to wait for the clear breakout because the market may retrace and range also. We have to always think about two scenarios. The market may range or break. So we will see. Let's continue to monitor for the next couple of minutes until the end of the live today. Amphibior says, may I ask where can one find a good backtest code for Ichimoku strategy? Backtest code, I'm not really sure because I don't use the backtest code, the backtest software to use to do it in Ichimoku strategies. So yeah, to be honest, I'm not really sure because I only take trades manually, check charts manually, and take trades, entries, and exits manually. So yeah, unfortunately, I'm not really sure. Why did you leave Japan? Taxes. Yeah, taxes are also one of the reasons, and plus time zone to trade and investing opportunities, and much more. Some other reasons. You can find the answers on my second YouTube channel. You can access from the below description and come to my second channel, and I talk about that topic. Okay, Bank Nifty. Okay, while waiting for the breakout, I will split the window. And on the left, we monitor Pound CAD. On the right, let me check the Bank Nifty. So here's the daily chart. Bank Nifty is still bullish. Yeah, so I think it goes up to the next run number of 43,000. That's a target, 43,000. Yeah, so simply follow Ichimoku direction and you should be fine. This one also has 2 bounces on the Tenkan-sen. So you can follow uptrend until it breaks the Tenkan-sen. Because if it breaks Tenkan-sen, then it may go back to the previous resistance. And when it breaks resistance, then it may go down to the Kijun-sen on the daily. So in this case, if you buy, put the stop loss below the Tenkan-sen. Okay, Matak Music says, Hi Kei, please provide your input on my strategy. I simply buy a stock if the price is above opening price on a daily candle. Stop loss will be opening price. I didn't backtest on that strategy, so I can't make comments. If you use Ichimoku also, then I may have some ideas, but based on purely on the price actions and candlestick open, I'm not really sure. Yeah, and also I only trade Forex and gold, and I don't trade stocks. So unfortunately, I'm not really sure about that strategy. Okay. So yeah, Bank Nifty is bullish. Looks like there are some traders from India. So Bank Nifty is bullish. Bitcoin is ranging. So that's the case. So yeah, let's see. So let me check some other Forex pairs to see if one of these ones may break. Okay, so the other pairs are all ranging now. Okay, so again, waiting for the Euro CAD breakout, Pound USD breakout, and Pound CAD breakout. So when CAD becomes when CAD becomes weak, then I think these 2 pairs, Pound CAD and Euro CAD, breaks bullish. So let me check the strength chart and see what the strength of the CAD currency at the moment. Okay, CAD is weak today. CAD is purple, and you see purple, CAD is bearish. So I think most likely these 2 pairs will break the resistances. Okay. Yeah, but I think these are my overview on these markets. Okay, Sachin says Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen overlap, jump up and down impact trend. Yeah, but that's overshooting market. Overbought, oversold. Okay, Amphibious, you're welcome, and Matak, you're welcome also. Melosa, yes, if it breaks, I'm waiting for the breakout. Looks like it's breaking, and waiting for the confirmation to trade. But it's been almost like 30 minutes, and since my condition is not really good, I'm about to end the live. But let me double check on the daily and the lower time frame situations. So daily Kijun-sen is still flat, but 4 hour is about to be bullish. I think in this case, I wait for a few more minutes, maybe 10 or 20 minutes, to make sure it breaks, and make sure 4 hour Kijun-sen up, and look for the buying edge in M5. Because this breakout is still too shallow. So market can reverse anytime. Still, then this may become a fake breakout. So I think I will prefer to wait for more clear and how to say, like like a more clear breakout, and look for the buying edge afterwards. Yeah, but as far as see the 5 minute, this is ascending P wave, so I think this looks good. This looks, it's breaking nicely. So the market may retrace back to the trend line, and then it may bounce and goes up. But if it breaks the trend line, then we need to continue to monitor the chart until it breaks next time. So that's what I think in this case. Okay, so I'm sorry, but I will end the live for now because of because my condition is not really good right now. You see some you see the red dot on my face. I have 3 pimples, 3 like broils, and these are really painful. So yeah, let me take a good rest today and see you tomorrow, possibly. All right. So yeah, but again, thanks so much everyone for joining. I wish you enjoyed the live stream today. If you liked it, please press the like button and please subscribe and click the bell button so that you get notified when I do the next live or upload a video. And hopefully I can reach 60,000 subscribers within this year. So if you can subscribe also, that would be great. So again, thanks so much. Have a great Friday, great weekend. And until I see you next time, please stay healthy and stay safe and stay gold. Alright, bye for now everyone. Mata ne. Thanks so much.